Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share multiple windows at once in Zoom. This is incredibly useful when you need to switch between different applications during a presentation or meeting without constantly stopping and starting new screen shares. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Zoom app on your computer. You'll need to log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Enter your email address and password to access your Zoom account. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the features and settings needed for hosting or joining meetings. Once you're logged in, go ahead and join a meeting. You can do this by clicking on the Join button and entering the meeting ID, or by clicking on a meeting link that was shared with you. Wait for the meeting to load and for you to be connected with other participants. This might take a moment depending on your internet connection. Now that you're in the meeting, look down at the bottom toolbar of your screen. This is where all your main controls are located during a Zoom call. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled Share. Click on this Share button to open up the screen sharing options. This is the starting point for all screen sharing activities in Zoom. A new window will pop up showing you various sharing options. Here's where the magic happens for sharing multiple windows simultaneously. Instead of clicking just one thumbnail as you normally would, you're going to hold down the Control button on your keyboard. While holding Control, click on the thumbnails of each application window you want to share. You'll notice that multiple windows become highlighted as you select them. This allows you to choose exactly which windows your meeting participants will be able to see. After you've selected all the windows you want to share, simply click the Share button at the bottom right of this window. Zoom will now begin sharing all the selected windows at once. Your participants will be able to see whichever window you're currently using, and you can switch between them seamlessly without interrupting the share or having to set up a new one each time. And there you have it. You can now share multiple windows simultaneously in Zoom, making your presentations and collaborations much smoother and more professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.